Good morning, you guys. It's about 10:30 in the morning, so it's a little bit later in the morning, but I thought it would be a fun day to film a art vlog slash day in my life video. And normally I like to just stay at my desk and film my art videos at my desk because that's what us artists like to do, is just kind of mess around with our supplies and make art, of course. But it doesn't make for a very interesting vlog video, so I wanted to add a little bit more to today's video to make it more interesting as a vlog. And we'll see how this goes. Today is going to be a very chill day. I don't have to go into work today or do anything like that, which is why I'm filming today. I just want to catch up on my YouTube channel a little bit, and I have an errand to run that's art related, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me for that, and that's going to be fun. And I have a couple of other things that I'd like to clean up as well, so I'm not really sure where we're going to get started here. We should probably start at the desk view, even though I told you guys that we're not going to spend all of our time there, but we're going to start there just to see where we're at, and I promise we will leave there at some point and we won't be at the desk for the entire video. So I need to make a video about the Neocolor IIs by Caran. These are the water-soluble version of the Neocolors, and I've never tried either version, so this is my first time trying these. I want to film a first impressions video, which is why I've kept it in its packaging and everything. I don't want to open anything up until I film that video, and I think we're going to start filming that video today, so you could see a little bit behind the scenes of that, but the actual video probably won't be up till next week because I'm probably going to need to work on it on Friday of this week as well, and then post it next week, and then this vlog can go up this week. So this was kind of just spontaneous, and I wasn't going to do a day in the life or art vlog style video today, but hey, what the heck, we're doing it now, so we might as well. So that's one thing I want to do. I'm really excited for this. I almost want to do an artwork like the cover art. Would that be lame? I just was really inspired looking at this, and it's been so cold. Our mountains here have been so snowy lately, which is not common at all. Usually there's just specks of snow on them, and they've been fully covered in snow multiple times. And it's really weird to see, and this is kind of reminding me of that and how cold it's been here, at least for California. So I'm kind of inspired to do something like that. Would that be lame to copy the cover art? Not the exact thing, but just be inspired by this mountainscape scenery. I don't know. We'll see. We definitely need to open them up and do a swatch chart and everything first, so I'm not sure. We still have time to think about the artwork. I've also got my Jaws mug. If you're new here, you might not recognize this, but if you've been here a while, you might have seen the video where I introduced Bruce the shark. I think I've introduced him a few times. He's a little bit dusty right now. This is from Universal Studios technically, but I found it at a discount store, and then I went to Universal Studios later. I saw it being sold for way higher of a price than what I bought it at, and it was the exact same thing, so it's pretty funny, but I'm lucky that I got it. And all of these supplies in here, there's not a lot. These pencils and markers are actually from when I did my Valentine's Day video. That was almost a month ago, so they've just been sitting here in my mug, and I haven't put them away. I think the first order of business is we should put these where they go and just start off with a clean slate, because it really annoys me when supplies pile up at my desk, but it does happen quite often. And my desk is actually just so gross and dirty right now, so we're just gonna wipe it down really quick and see if we can get some of that residue off. So let's just speed through that. Okay, that should be good enough, even though it's still noticeably dirty, but I'm gonna remove this wallpaper soon and get something else to put on my desk, I think, so that's alright. So all of my stuff on my desk is a bit more cleaned up, and now we're going to go on our errand. I guess I'm going to show you guys my errand outfit here. We've got my little cute sweater that I like to wear, and then leggings and comfy shoes. So, is this how you do a vlog correctly? Alright you guys, here we are in my car. Hopefully nobody else is here, that would be weird, but we're in the parking lot right now and we're about to go to Michael's. That's where we're gonna go do our errand, which is exciting. Now unfortunately the Michael's that was right by my house closed. Can I prop this up somewhere so it's not moving? The Michael's that was, oh, I thought there was someone sitting there for a second. Vlogging is not for me, maybe. The Michael's that was by my house closed and I was super sad about it. This was like months ago. I was so depressed, and now the Michael's that's closest is not that far away, but it's like a 25-minute drive or so. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up to Michael's. While we're there, I don't know if there's anything else we might do because I have to drive all that way anyway. It's a big shopping center. I'll show you guys. On the way there, we're going to go to Starbucks and get a drink because I have too many Starbucks gift cards that need to be used. I got way too many of them for my birthday and for Christmas combined, and I don't know what to do with them all. It's actually kind of ridiculous. Normally I like to get an iced coffee if I go to Starbucks, but it's cold today. So I think I'm gonna try to get a hot drink, but it's kind of warm in the car, so maybe I could drink an iced coffee. I don't wanna make myself more cold for no reason though. It's about 11 a.m. right now, so let's start our commute. So as you guys could see, we are at Starbucks now, waiting in the drive-through line. So the parking lot here is kind of awful, and you can't really go into this Starbucks because it's drive-through pickup. On my way here, somebody ran a red light turning left as I was going straight, just in the middle of traffic. Like, you know, on a busy street, in the middle of the day, just decided to casually run a red light to make a left turn. It's now 11:40 and we have arrived, and there is Michael's. Yay, we're here. We can actually go inside, and that was a little bit of a longer drive to get here than I thought, but that's okay. There's also Joanne and Hobby Lobby over there, but we're not going to go there. We're not going to go and do more damage than need be. We're just going to go into Michael's today, I think. I ended up caving and getting an iced coffee when I should have got a hot coffee, and honestly, it's okay. It's actually kind of bitter. I think I should add some more milk to it when I get home, or some oat milk or something. I don't know. It's fine. I probably should have got a hot drink. We're gonna leave that in the car for a minute. And I think we have one of my reusable bags in here we can grab. So nobody was really in Michael's. It was kind of quiet and awkward filming in there. Yeah, I'm not much of a vlogger, but as you can see, I got the portfolio and I needed to get some new scissors as well for like crafting and whatever. So I got a new pair of those, and yeah, and I guess that was kind of a quick errand trip. And I guess we're just gonna head back home now because I'd rather just be at home, honestly. And also, if you guys could see, the mountains are super green right now. This is not how they usually look. We've just had a lot of rain this season. Normally everything here is very dried out. This amount of rain is kind of unusual for where I live. So I want to go hiking within the next few weeks, at least when it stops raining, so it's not muddy, so I can take advantage of how pretty it looks right now, because it's not how it usually looks. It's about 11:52 right now, and we're going to head back and see how long our commute drive takes us this time. We're just gonna go straight home, and yeah. All right, you guys, we're finally home. Thank goodness that we're back at the desk now. I've got my brand new portfolio here. It was kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie. Then I've got my scissors. They're actually supposed to go in my sewing kit bag, but that's in the car. So I don't know if I feel like going back to the car right now to get it. I think I'm gonna actually make some lunch really quick, and then we'll go back to the car. We'll put the sewing scissors away. We'll put the portfolio away, and we will get to doing something artsy. Well, this isn't looking good for the lunch situation. It's 1:25 now, and lunch took a little bit longer than expected. Also, this coffee keeps spilling on my blue sweater, and so that's why I have this wrapped around it. Let me tell you guys, I am so annoyed with this blue sweater. Every time I wear it, something spills on it. I'm not joking. It's cursed, and it's so annoying, so I kind of just like scrubbed it out a little bit and added some water, and hopefully that'll dilute it. But coffee is staining, so that's really annoying. Also, I don't know what's wrong with this lid, but it keeps spilling. Maybe this coffee was a bad idea. Now I'm just being punished for not getting a hot drink like I was supposed to. I also have got these cute clips from Daiso, not today. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, but I just thought this is so cute and could be used, I don't know, to hold little notes or to hold things up. I just think that they're adorable. So I think we're going to start filming my video for the Caran Neocolor II Aquarelle 30 water-soluble wax pastels. So I want to create a swatch chart that fits inside of the tin, and I very not so evenly just free-handed cutting this watercolor paper down. This was spare watercolor paper that I had that has like a really old practice painting on it, so you could see that that's on the back. But that's okay. I wasn't going to do anything with that anyway. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't cut it so evenly that this was just one big strip, because I feel like I've wasted the paper here. But hey, it was paper that I already used anyway, so it's not like it was a fresh sheet of paper. And this is what I'm going to use to make my swatch chart. This is about as good as it's gonna get. I made such a mistake of not measuring this out. Normally I like to measure out when I do swatch charts. I wanted to just wing it, and therefore I was left redoing it a couple times because I wanted there to be 10 slots and I couldn't get it looking right. So that's why it's a bit uneven. This is what you get for being lazy. Well, this is what I get for being lazy. But I think it looks alright. And so that's the swatch chart we're going to use for the video. I usually like to make my swatch charts like partly off camera, or I speed it up a lot because it's not really that interesting of a process to watch. But since this is a kind of behind the scenes video, I thought I would include this little bit here, since I probably won't include this in the video where I'm actually opening my Caran Neocolors, which actually we're going to get to right now. So a little bit of planning here. When I do these types of first impressions videos, I like to remember to keep a couple things in mind. So I like to usually talk about what's on the packaging first, what it says front and back. So we're going to talk about that when I get to it. Then I like to open it up on camera, take off the packaging, look at the tin, take a look at the tin, open it up, admire the colors. That's probably my favorite part of these videos, is just admiring everything. And after I do that, I'll probably just talk about it a little bit more, about the color range and how it looks to me and information I know about the product. And then after I do that, that's usually when I would want to try them out. So then I would do my swatch chart, and then I could further discuss the color range. I'm so sorry, my cat is chewing on, what is she chewing on? Ginger? It's currently 1:47 and I'm kind of sad thinking that I might not even get to an artwork today. My intention was to do a couple of assignments after this, after I finish up filming. Then later I'm going to meet my friend for a quick dinner. And so that's what's on the schedule for the rest of the day, but I do have a couple of assignments to do. So depending on how long this swatch chart takes, perhaps we can, well, not just the swatch chart, but filming this video takes, then we can possibly start on the artwork that I want to do. Or if that doesn't work out, we'll just do it on Friday. Hi guys, welcome back to the desk corner. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm very excited because we are going to finally get our hands on the Caran Neocolor II water-soluble wax pastels. Okay, I think I should conclude today's vlog pretty soon because it sure feels like I have a lot of footage. I guess before we end, it's about 2:30 p.m. right now, so I might get started on the sketch for my Caran first impressions video for the artwork that I want to do. and I might just put that aside, file it away for Friday because right now it's Wednesday, and maybe I can get started on my assignments. I'm probably going to work on those for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to get ready to go and meet my friend for dinner later. I think that's going to be around 5:36. I'm not sure yet. So again, it's about 2:30 right now. I don't have like a lot of time, but I do want to spend a couple hours doing assignments, so that's what we're going to do. I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of like behind the scenes, day in my life type of video. This was kind of an unproductive day. I mean, it was productive in that I started filming a video. I got an errand done that I've been meaning to do for like a month. Like, I really just haven't gone to drive to Michael's to get that portfolio that I needed, even though I wanted to do that like weeks ago. So I finally fit that in a way where it's a little more fun bringing you guys along, so it doesn't just feel like a pointless drive. If you guys would like to see more like a day in the life of when I go and teach art, those days are way more hectic. I don't know how I would film those. I feel like even just filming a super chill day where I'm not doing too much and it's very slow paced is like a lot of extra effort just to film everything and to remember. But I think if it was a very busy day, it might be more of a challenge, but that could be something fun that I could do. And if you guys want to see something like that, let me know in the comments down below. I don't do these vlog videos very often because I like, again, to sit at my desk usually and just talk about art and talk about my supplies and, you know, actually make art. I feel like the light that comes in is awful and there's hardly any light, and I always have to position myself in front of this one particular window where light actually comes in and everywhere else is blocked off and it gets super dark in here. So this is not an ideal place at all for filming. It just happens to be that my desk is pushed up against the correct wall so that I can film properly and film like my intros back here in this background. Anywhere else I cannot film. It's extremely dark. It's like a dungeon. I'm not even joking. I guess I'll do a little outro here though, since I'm not sure if I'm going to go on a walk and then therefore film that. If I do, I'll film a little bit more for you guys. I don't want to film my sketching process or anything like that because I want that to be a surprise for my actual Caran Neocolor video, which obviously is going to come out next week. And yeah, so there's not much more I can actually film me doing without kind of spoiling my next video, and I'm not gonna go film when I'm out with my friend either, so. I'm sorry about my lack of video last week. I told you guys a while ago though that my filming might be a little bit sporadic and I might have like weeks where I have to skip, unfortunately, just because of a school and my job. But that's okay because I'm trying not to skip more than 2 weeks at a time if possible. So we're still keeping a fairly consistent like filming and upload schedule. It's just sometimes not possible to prioritize certain things certain weeks. Hopefully that, you know, is understandable. I will see you guys next week in my Caran Neocolor video. I hope that you guys show up for that one because I'm very excited. After trying them out today, I can say that it's going to be a really fun video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know this is a different style than usual, but hopefully it's kind of fun. But I do apologize for all the weird lighting and sound changes because obviously I had to film some of this on my phone. I didn't want to bring my big camera out everywhere, out and about. So that's why it's like some of it's on my camera, some of it's on my phone. What an editing nightmare. Okay. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.